Hello friends, Alicia here with Pawsome Pals Pet Service, and Leviathan is here to say hello. I too am in this unboxing video. If you haven't already, go ahead down to the links below and check out our social media. Give us a follow and like there. We'd love to have you be part of our pack. And if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button here on YouTube and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what was your favorite item in this month's Con Club. All right, buddy. You want to lay down? All right, hello friends again. Alicia here. That was Leviathan, and I'm sure he'll be back momentarily when he realizes we've opened up the big box. So this was November's Con Club, so I'm guessing there's going to be a Thanksgiving themed bandana in here. Con Club is a monthly subscription box. It runs a little under $40. I'm sorry. Con Club is a subscription box and it runs a little under $50 for everything that comes in this box. It has a vet recommended item, a treat, a toy, and usually a monthly themed bandana. It also gives you access to Con Club's vet care. If you're having an emergency, you can use their app and get on-demand vet services. So here's the box. It's a pretty good size box, this one. Seems longer than usual. I love that they have theme printed not only boxes, you can see here, but as well as the tissue paper. All right, it looks like we have 3 toys in here, 2 treats. All right, let's get... We have a Kong squeeze. Oh, here comes Leviathan. Oh boy. Okay, he wants the... Okay, buddy. Hey, he wants the lion. Okay. All right, hi. Rascal has also joined us here. Leviathan, sit. I have the good boy sitting here and the crazy wild child here in front of the camera. You go. There we go. You can stay. You can stay. Leviathan, stay. Let me get him out of his packaging. Rascal, you're okay. Does he squeak? He does not squeak. Leviathan just wants him. Okay, there we go. Okay. I believe, Rascal, you came for the squeaky. Of course, now that he sees Rascal getting something. There you go. You can get it, bud. I think my old man's teeth have been bothering him lately. So, I can honestly say these toys in this box are definitely a win, as Rascal came to get one as well as Leviathan. Leviathan took his right away. He inspected Rascal's because Rascal put his down, and now he's a happy popper boy. So briefly, those 2 toys were the Kong squeeze. It squeaks and playful erratic bounce, ideal for games of fetch. Continues to squeak even when punctured. And then this was called the Kong Ultra Cozy. Ultra durable Kong Ultra Tex fabrics for action-packed fun. Ripstop material and reinforced seam for long-lasting play. Robust liner stands up to instinctual chewing. Designed for light to moderate 2 sessions. For tough chews, try Kong rubber toys. Rascal, buddy, you want to come here? He's been real avoidant lately. I think my old man hasn't been feeling very good, but of course, he acts like a big tough, brave guy. So we have our farmer's omelet, crunchy biscuit. These are an oat flour based biscuit. Bacon, cheese, egg, rolled oats, coconut oil, parsley, and citric acid. Has a cute little lab on the back. Leviathan says, "Mama. Please, Mama, may we have a treat?" Russell's over there pouting, as one does. Leviathan, let's see you sit. No. Sit. Down. Stay. He's giving me great eye contact, but I do have the treat right here in my hand. So I'm gonna lower my hand. Good boy. Yes. So I do hand signals along with verbal commands because eventually, ideally, I can just show him my closed fist and he'll know to sit. Open palm, he'll know to stay. Tap to chest means come. 2 fingers in this motion means down. Those are all things that Rascal knows how to do. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. He was a great, easy to teach dog. Leviathan's still learning. That's okay. Rascal, come here. Come on. All the way, buddy. Good boy. What did you think about that? Was that good? Okay, normally I wouldn't let him just put his head in the tree pig, but Levi, sit. Good boy, all the way down. That's a good job, Rascal. Oh, excuse me. No, not garbage. Levi's actually going back to his toy over the treats, which is very surprising. Levi's very food motivated, so I am very surprised. Rascal sometimes goes on hunger strikes and won't eat anything until I pull out the good treats. Today he ate breakfast like a champ. Yesterday he got a bunch of treats from friends at our dog spot. Unfortunately, by the end of the time we were there, he was showing that he was having like a little bit of allergic reaction. I think he's developed a chicken allergy. Levi, why don't you come here? Good boy, sit. You can go all the way down. All the way down. So, when we first got Leviathan in March, we would not have been able to do this. This is amazing. For a long time, for the first 3 months, we had to keep the dogs pretty much separated. They could kind of share space, but not be close to each other, because otherwise it would get really growly and fighty boy. So now here we go. We have both dogs less than a foot away from each other. No one's fighting for resources. No one's being pushy. We're both listening. We're both respecting each other's space. And we're both enjoying food together. So, you know, this is a great moment. It feels really nice. Levi's starting to get a little pushy. We're not having dinner today, I can tell. But I'm so happy they're being such good boys. Then we have the Kong Snacks Natural. I believe we've had this kind before. Maybe not. This one says it has real pork, bacon, and cranberries in it. Just gonna put the trash in there. Show you guys the bag. I think this is such a good, and these treats are good till December 6th of 2023, so you have a whole year to use them. Rascal, no pushing. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. If you checked out our video prior to this one, we went to the Home for Holidays event, and I gave Hollywood Huskies a huge box filled with treats and goodies. Mostly because I don't normally give my dogs this many Treatos. Rascal seems to enjoy this one. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Leviathan, down. Hey, share space. Okay, Rascal decided that Levi was far too close to him, which I don't blame him. Leviathan was to the point where he was pretty much like laying on Rascal. Rascal's not a physical touch dog. He doesn't enjoy that. Levi's getting a little worked up here. Can you relax a bit? Yes. Rascal is having a harder time with these. I'm not sure if it's because of their density. They are pretty thick. But he does seem to be enjoying his. He's not a fussy eater. He'll eat anything, so. Should we have one more? Yeah, you think so? Alright. Okay, Rascal, sit. Good boy. Good job. It looks like we have a core strength made with bamboo. Fun interactive play. This is definitely a toy I'd be setting aside for a potential new client or when I have a pet sitting. Bring one of these along because I know neither one of them will be that invested in this. It's a durable bamboo material, satisfies instinctual chewing needs. Natural aroma entices and rewards engagement. Raised nubs and ridges help clean teeth. I have been trying to get Levi into toys like this lately because after he had a little issue with a hot spot that was pretty bad, he had to hang out in a cone. All the way down, Rascal. Stay. Yes. He did develop a little bit of a chewing issue. Chewing on things he wasn't supposed to. So, I did introduce him to the nylon toys, and he's just not big on them. So here's our Kong Club care card. It says, did you know chocolate is the most well-known candy to be toxic to dogs? Consuming a stash of human goodies can still make them sick. Don't risk leaving any around. Watch our pet coaches to show you how to use the toys and treats from your Kong kit to keep your pup happy and engaged. A certain spooky day at the end of October makes the beginning of the holiday season. With people coming and going for the celebration, it's important that your pup has a safe place that they can call their own. Even most social and well-pleasing dogs can become stressed by overstimulation. Get creative and create a secure retreat for your pup. And then our Kong Club recipe of the month is a sweet and savory surprise. It looks pretty good on this side. And it shows that you're going to use the Kong Easy Treat. I usually never use these. My hand dexterity has a really hard time getting it out of the can. And so it's calling for half a cup of ground turkey, half a cup of diced apples, half a cup of diced sweet potato, 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. You're going to mix all those ingredients into a bowl, split the mixture between the Kongs, and freeze for a greater challenge. Sometimes your dog, or maybe it's just mine, maybe it's because I have a very lazy man right here, he will not work to get anything frozen out of a Kong. He will just leave it there. So what I do is I put them into a silicone mold, freeze them that way, and then put those frozen pieces into my Kong. It still makes for a harder, more challenging, great summer treat, but then he'll still work to get all the pieces out of his Kong versus if I stuffed it and then froze it together. So if you've tried freezing and your dog didn't like it, maybe try it this way and they will. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my top, go ahead and check out our retail shop down below. We have pins and apparel. Leviathan. Now he's gonna work through the routine to see if I give him anything. Thanks so much for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget, we are doing a new segment where at the end of the video you can check out some adoptable pets here in Southern California. There is a pet crisis here in California, and I'm sure most of the United States. So just know that any day is a great day to adopt a shelter pet. And follow along at the end to see our social media links. All right, friends, thanks so much. Bye.
Luna, hi, pretty girl. Hi. I see you. Let me see your beautiful. Oh, you're so pretty. That's so funny. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Luna. Good girl.